Hi all, this is a quick video to show you guys how to use indirect formula for a dynamic vlookup. So let's say in your table you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, right? Then you want to vlookup three different sheets, right, with values. Right. So best is if you want to make the sheets dynamic, right, in your vlookup formula. Right. So this is our vlookup formula. So vlookup as usual, then open bracket, right. Then select A2 cell, but put a dollar sign in front of A. Because A column is always with your data, right, for this purpose, right? Then you use your indirect formula, right? Then reference B1, right? So write B$1, right? Because row 1 doesn't change. You see your row 1 always contain sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. This is so that you can copy across different cells later, and then the formula won't change. All right, and then $1 and then your vlookup range, right? Your vlookup range is so my vlookup range is AB here, right? You can change it to AB, G, H or whatever that that you need, right? Always remember you need to put a exclamation mark here, right? Then comma 2, which is the column index number, and then always write false so that it will give you an exact match. So once you write this formula, right, you can just copy across and then copy downwards, right? It won't affect anything, right? If you look at D4, right, you can see it's changed itself to A4. It doesn't change the column, right? Because normally when you drag across, it will be A, B, C, D. Then this one will look up here, this one will look up here, and this one will look up here. That's why you put a dollar sign in front. Okay, to prove this theory, so let's say I want to rename this sheet to sheet 3, right? Say automatically my my values change, because in a sheet 3, right, I only have DEF value, right, value of DEF. So if I put ABC, right, value 5, right, then you can see, right, it will read 5, or maybe put a 10, right. Sheet 3 will become a 10 for ABC, right? I hope this video helps. So if you want to read more of this indirect formula, you can go to this very good website. It's called ExcelJet. I will put this link into the description. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it very much. And then if you have any questions, just put in the comment, and then I will try to answer with another video. I hope this helps you. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.